Hi guys, so we meet you again for the next video. On the way to the megalithic sites in Bondowoso. Now we're crossing a small village, Mangli village. So we meet with some locals. So you could see the rice plantation and then bamboo plantation also. With small group like this, not so many people, I think is very lovely. So we get the coconuts, trees, durian trees. That's wonderful. Indonesia is very beautiful to visit. Hi guys, we are on the way to the megalithicum sites in Bondowoso. One of the cultural sites in Bondowoso that's be presented to IJEN GEOPARK. That's very wonderful, but the way we are crossing in small routes direct to megalithicum object in Bondowoso. The way is very narrow, that are a little bit slippery, but I think it's very nature because you know that there are a lot of trees and then some plants that still growing in this place. People is very care about the location, and then there are a lot of grass that to be feeding for the animals that always cutting by the farmer. Now we stop here. Hello guys, so we mix you again for the other videos to talk about the beautiful thing in Indonesia. Now I just want to talk about the megalithic sites as cultural sites in Java, especially in Bondowoso. Bondowoso has reached a lot of megalithic sites that will be possible to visit by other travelers, like domestic travelers and then international travelers. Megalithic site as a dolmen grave is one of the famous thing in Bondowoso that to be educational sites that must be studied in school, especially for elementary students and then for junior and senior high school in Bondowoso, because it became a part of IJEN GEOPARKs in Indonesia. Now we try to explore about it. Let's come to explore about the dolmen grave as megalithic site in Bondowoso. Let's come. As you know that the panorama is still screens. Very beautiful landscape over there, and then we are now close to the location where there are a lot of stone that's become a dolmen grave. Let's try getting close here. It is the dolmen grave. According to the research, these stones that's coming from the big eruption from the ancient IJEN a volcano that spread out with a lot of stone, like energy stones. This stone is functioning to be the grave as cemetery, where the dead body they put inside here, because now is already colleagues with other people. Before that, there are some bone of humans inside, even some jewelries and then other things. According to the research from the geologists, this stone is very, very old, from the megalithic periods, and then that many people try to make research in this place. And then also the student can study about the history, about the geology. Also study about the cultural side. That's very wonderful in my region. Now we're gonna take around here. Take care, because there are a lot of corn plantation that's still growing by the farmers. In this part of the stone, this is very useful when sometimes the people make other traditional custom in this place. And also this very famous for the people to visit it here, since the IJEN GEOPARK is open in 2020, and then now it's become the new object that can be visited in Bondowoso. Yeah, let's study about it. And then also the people can enjoy here. So not so many people around here, and then so it's very wonderful to visit it. Try to visit, because this is the most important thing to study about the culture in Indonesia, especially in Bondowoso.